Hello everyone, welcome back. Chapter 2. We have already understood the basic concepts. Now here in this video, we'll be doing few more questions for a better understanding and more practice. Let's start. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 3 if x is equal to 0. So this question is very basic. In part 1 says x is equal to 0. So if I put x equal to 0 minus 3, my answer will be minus 3. Part 2. X is equal to minus 1. So 5 minus 1 minus 3. So minus 5 minus 3 will give you minus 8. Part 3. X is equal to 2. So it is 5 multiplied to minus 3. 10 minus 3 which is equal to 7. Now the next question. My polynomial given is 7s square minus 4s plus 6. So part 1 says s is equal to 0. So 7 multiplied by 0, 4 multiplied by 0 plus 6. My answer is 6. Part 2. S is equal to minus 3. So S minus 3 square minus 4 minus 3 plus 6. So minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 gives me 27 minus 27 and multiply by 7. So 140 plus 49, 189. So it will be minus 189 plus 12 plus 6. So my answer turns out to be minus 1, 7 and 1. Minus 171. Okay. Third part. S is equal to 4. So 7, 4 ka cube minus 4, 4 plus 6. So that gives me 4 ka cube is 64. 64 means 420. 420 plus 28. 420 plus 28. So 448 minus 16 plus 6. So you must be wondering how I am multiplying. See, I am just telling you 64 multiplied by 7. The one is the traditional method of multiplication we do by arranging it vertically. The other way round is 7 multiplied by 6, 420, because it is at tens place. So it is 420 and 28. So 448. So I have two methods of doing it. One vertically as we used to do it, and the other is by adding on the two numbers. So my answer turns out to be 438. Right? Let's move on to the next question. The present age of Salil's mother is 3 times Salil's present age. So what I'll do is I'll take let Salil's age be x. So what would be the age of mother? It is 3 times the Salil's age. After 5 years, I'll write the same. What will be the age after 5 years? Salil's age after 5 plus 5. Mother's age 3x plus 5. So irrespective the number or the variable, if I say after 5 years, that means it will be plus 5 plus 5. Their age will add up to 70. Now I will write ATQ, which helps me in making the equation. Sum will add to 70. That means x plus 5, 3x plus 5 is equal to 70. 4x is equal to 60. X is equal to 15. So my final answer, where the percentage has to be given, Salil's age will be 15 years. Mother's age will be 45 years. I hope the question is clear. Difference between two positive integers is 63. Whenever I have been given the difference, I have two ways of writing. Let numbers be x, x plus 63. Or I can also write x x minus 63. I just have to show the difference. वो difference मैं plus में दिखाती हूँ, minus में दिखाती हूँ, that does not matter. Now, the other point is ratio of the two integer is 2:5. So what my ATQ becomes? X upon x minus plus 60. I am taking plus wala, you may take both ways, right? Cross multiply. 5x is equal to 2x plus 126. 3x is equal to 126. So x is 42. So what would be the numbers? My final answer. Numbers are, or I can say what the question is saying, integers are 42 plus 63. So 5105. I hope it is clear. Next, Ruby has three times as many 2 rupee coins as she has for 5 rupee coins. Now this is denomination wala question. We call it denomination. So in case of denomination, I'll take let number of, question says 3 times as 2 rupees coin as she has 5. So let the number of coins for rupee 5 be x. Then for rupee 2 will be 3x. She has total 88 rupees, right? So what is ATQ? I hope you understand that if I have a 10 rupee ka note, two 10 rupee ka note, then it is always 2 into 10, which is 20. So whenever there is a denomination wala question, what we do is 5 into x, 2 into 3x, that turns up to 88. So 5x plus 6x is equal to 88. 11x, 88, x is equal to 8. So what is the question says? How many does she have for each type? So how many? Rupees 5, 8 coins. Rupee 2, 3 into 8, 24 coins. Right? Next, a farmer cuts a 300 feet fence into two pieces of different sizes. It may be equal, may not be equal. Longer piece is 4 times as long as the shorter one. So, let the length of two pieces. The length of two pieces are x, 300 minus x. The total length is 300. So, one is x, other is 300 minus x. Now, what does ATQ says? Longer piece is 4 times the shorter piece. So, I assume x is longer and 4 times the shorter. So, x is equal to 1200 minus 4x. So, 5x is equal to 1200. 1200 upon 5. The x ka value comes out to be 240. So, what is the length for the 2? What is the length for the 2? 240. Assume. If I find out the answer here, it will come 240 and for this 240 meter. Since no length is given, so I will not use meter. I will say 240 units and 300 minus 240, which is 60 units. I hope the question is clear. So length of the two pieces is 240 and 60. Next, if the length of a rectangle is 3 more than twice its breadth. If the length of a rectangle is 3 more than twice its breadth, perimeter is given to you. Let length be x. Sorry, we'll take width as x because length is 3 more than. So let width be x. Then length will be 3 more than 2 times the width. I have already been given perimeter. So 2 into length plus breadth. Everybody knows is equal to the perimeter. The perimeter of rectangle. So 2 into x plus 3x. 3 plus 2x is equal to 24. Let's solve. So this and this becomes 3x plus 3 and this 2 will be divided. So we'll give you 2. Will give you 12. 3x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 3. So what is the width? 3 centimeter is the width and length will be 3 plus 2 into 3. 3 plus 6 which is 9 centimeter. Right, the dimensions means the length and the breadth for a 2D figure and LBH, length, breadth, height for a 3D figure. Okay, so one more question. A student has 500 rupees in her saving bank account. She gets 150 every month as a pocket money. How much money will she have at the end of every month from second month onwards? So in this case, I have to make a table where I'll show the linear pattern. This will be number of months and this will be the amount. So first month it will be 500, second month plus 150, third month again 150, so it will be 800, fourth 950, 5 1 100 and so on. Then the question says find a linear expression to represent the amount where the number of months is n. So what will be the amount in terms of linear expression? 500 is the fixed amount which is there and 150 is added every month. So my linear expression will be 500 plus 150n. Okay? A rally starts with 120 members. Each hour, 9 members dropped out. So it's a decay. I hope you have seen the initial video where we have discussed all the basic concepts. There was a linear growth, there was a linear decay. So 9 members dropped out. That means it is minus 9. It's a linear decay. How many members will remain after 1, 2, 3 hours? Okay. So again, I'll make a table to show the linear pattern. Right? 1, 2, 3. I'll not make much. So this is number of hours, right? And this is number of members. What was the initial one? What was the initial one? It was 120. After each hour, 9 is dropped out. 101. 9 is dropped out. So 120 minus 9, 111. Next, again minus 1. So can I write 102? Next, again minus 9. So can I write 92? 92? 93. Right? In this way I can write it. So what will be the linear expression? Linear expression will be 120 minus 9n. 120 minus 9n. The linear expression for this. Suppose the length of the rectangle is 13. The area, find the area if the breadth is 12, 10, 8. The linear pattern to represent. So what is happening here? Area is length into breadth. the length is fixed, this is b. So what is the linear pattern? So I'll multiply for the first part, I'll multiply by 12. For the second part, I'll multiply by 10. For the third part, I'll multiply 13 by 8. And I can use this expression for any calculation. Right? Suppose a plant has a height this, grows by this each month. Find the height after 7 months. So I will make a linear expression first. Right, so this is the 1.75 grows. So plus 0.5, the number of months I'll take n. Right, so after 7 months means 1.75 plus 0.5 into 7. So 1.75 plus 3.5. And my answer will be 5.25. Make a table for the values of t varying from 0 to 10 and show how the height h increases every month. Okay, so it grows, it is saying h as a height, number. So again I have to make a table where I'll show it 0 to 10. So it will go from 1, 2, 3 till number 10. I am not making for all, you will be doing it. Okay, so height is growing. What will be the initial one? 1.75. This is height. And this is number of months. For the second, it will be 0.5 added. So 2.25. Again 0.5 added. So 2.75. Again 0.5 added. 3.25. And it will go on. So this is how it is increasing. So 0.5 added every month. Now find the expression that relates t and h. T was my month and okay. So this is a linear growth. The expression I have already written, so I'll just use the variables which it is saying. My h is equal to 1.75 plus 0.5 t. H height, t number of months. Okay. The next question. The telecom company charges 600 for a certain recharge scheme. This prepaid balance reduces by 15 each day. Write the equation that models the remaining balance bx after using the scheme for x days. So bx, name of the polynomial, the balance, where 600 minus 15x. X is the number of days. So 15 is subtracted every day. How many days will the balance run out? So here for balance run out means it will be 0. So what I'll do is I'll write this is equal to 0. So 15x is equal to 600. X is equal to, so how many days? After 40 days the balance turns out to be 0. Next part, make a table for the value varying from 1 to 10 days showing the balance. So here again I have to make a table where this is x, number of days, and this is balance. So for first one it will be 600 minus 15, so 585. For 2, again minus 15, 570. For 3, it is 555. For 4, it is 540. For 5, it is 525. And so on, I have to make till 10. I hope this subtraction you can do it on your own. The next question. A gym charges fixed monthly fee and an additional cost of per hour. अब there is a gym जिसमें monthly fee तो fixed है और additional cost है per hour के हिसाब से for using the badminton court. A student using the gym observed that when she used the badminton court for 10 hours, her bill turns out to be 800. When she used for 15 hours, bills turns out to be this. If the monthly bill Y depends on the hours of the use badminton court X, according to the relation Y is equal to AX, find the value of A and B. So what is happening? The bill is Y. So situation 1, where the bill is 800, the gym is used for 15 hours. I do not know the fixed charge. Here B represents the fixed charge and A represent the additional charge, right? The additional cost. So this is fixed cost and this is additional cost. Situation 2, 1100. It is that was 10 hours. I'm so sorry. It was 10, right? So 10A. Next, here it is 15. Now I have to solve. We have already discussed elimination method and substitution method. You can use any of the method for finding out the value of A and B. I find elimination more easy. So I am subtracting. B is reduced and 300 minus 5A. So A ka value is 60. If I put this value here, so 800 is equal to 10 into 60 plus B. So 800 minus 600 is equal to B. My B is 200. I got both the values A and B. And I can make the linear expression by putting the value if question says. Here it is not asked. Now the graph question we have already discussed. We have to find the solution, 3 solutions for each equation. So let's pick up the first one, which is y is equal to minus 2x minus 3. 3 solutions, x and y. Put x 0. Answer is x is 1. X is minus 1. Choice is mine. I can put anything I want. Okay. Next. Now, before starting with the next, I'll first plot this one. So, 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3. First point, 1 and minus 5. My second point, minus 1, minus 1. So, my third point. So, this is my first line. I'll first plot the point for first line. Then join them, write the equation so that it does not create any confusion afterwards. Now the next, y is equal to minus 2x. Again I'll make a table, find 3 solutions, x and y, 0, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2. Right? Let's plot this. So my first point to the second point, then it is minus 1 and 2, my third point. So it turns out to be like this. So y is equal to minus 2x. Second line is done. Let's move on to the third one, which says y is equal to 2x plus 3. Table, 3 solutions, x and y. X is 0, y is 3, x is 1, y is 5, x is minus 1, y is 1. So 0, 3, first point, 1, 5, minus 1 and 1, third point. So it gives me, it is y is equal to 2x plus 3. So I hope you have understood this. We have to first find the solution and then plotting on the graph. If you find all the solutions together and then do it one by one is also okay. But if you put all the if you plot all the coordinates and then you will try, it will create a confusion. So I'll suggest to do it one by one. Okay. Now, chapter and exercises. Write the polynomial of degree 3 variable x in which the coefficient of the term x square is -7. So degree 3, the polynomial has given that there should be a term x square with -7, but the degree is 3, so 1 x cube is required. Rest, now it is my choice. I can leave it here also. I can write +5. I can write 5x plus 2 also. Most important was two things: one, degree; two, the term x square with coefficient -7 and variable x. Okay, there are n number of solutions possible. You have to ensure that one term of x cube should be there. You can put the coefficient if you want. If you don't want, then don't. Then -7x square. Rest is your choice whether to write or not to write. Now, if we multiply a number by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, we get this. So, can I say let the number be x? So, what does ATQ says? Number is multiplied by x, 2 by 3 is added and giving me -7 by 12. Now, LCM 6, 15x plus 4 -7 by 12. I can reduce this here only. Now cross multiply. 30x plus 8 -7. This is already 1, so no cross, nothing else is required. 30x is -15, so x is -1 by 2. So what is the question asking? The number. So the number is -1 by 2. Next question. A positive number is 5 times another number. So let the positive number be x. So positive number, ATQ says a positive number is 5 times the another number. So positive number be 5 times the another number. If 21 is added to both, then one new number becomes twice the other new number. So it is saying 21 is added to both the numbers. So this turns out to be +21 plus 21. Then one of the new number becomes twice the, obviously this will be somewhere twice, right? Because it is 5 times. So what my ATQ becomes? What my ATQ becomes? ATQ will be one number is twice the other one. Let's solve. 5x plus 21, 2x plus 42. So 3x will be 21 and x is 7. So what are the numbers? The numbers are 7 and 7 into 5, 35. Okay. So what we are doing, these are just the different word problems where all information is given. You have to put into the equation, find ATQs and solve. You have 800. You save 250 every month. Find the amount you have saved after 6 months. So what I'll do is, I'll write the linear pattern first. Let the number of months be x. So linear pattern will be 800 plus 250x. So part 1, 800 plus 250 into 6. Multiply and add. Second part, 2 years. Have I the pattern in years? No. So I'll convert 2 years into the month, which is 24, and then write the answer. Okay. So 250, let's quickly find out. 250 into 6. So 250, 1050, 1500 1500 plus 800, that gives you 2300. Now 250 into 24. So quickly think of the answer. 250 into 24. It turns out to be 6000, and then multiply by 8. Sorry, add 800. So both the answers are there. So with this, we have discussed all NCERT questions. You may comment for more practice question. I'll share the PDF with you. I hope the chapter is clear. The basic understanding, I have already uploaded the video for the basic understanding, the basic concept. The detailed questions are discussed in this video. With this, I assume the chapter is very well clear. Again, I repeat, if you want me to share more questions for practice, do comment. I'll do the same on your personal window. Bye bye. Have a good day.